Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Guy Right. Today we're working on again this Kia Sedona and we're going to be replacing this EGR valve. Now this has caused me a lot of issues. So the diaphragm in here has a rip in it. I've just come across this. So what's been happening as I've been having the valve sticking open when it shouldn't be. It should fluctuate between when you rev it. So here now it's closed, but when I go to rev the vehicle, the valve would shoot straight up to the top and it would stick there and stay. And that's causing black smoke, no acceleration, so basically the car went into limp mode and I could not find it, so we had it scanned and it brought up 2, 3 and 4 injectors telling me that they were down, and I didn't believe that. So this is your culprit. So if you have no acceleration, you've gone into limp mode, you've got black smoke bellowing out, or your car revs fine and then instantly it goes into limp mode, that could potentially be your issue. So we're going to go ahead and remove this 10mm bolt, and then you want to remove these two 10mm fasteners that connect the intake to the airbox. Next up, you want to remove two 12mm bolts, and there'll be one at the back. Mine is snapped up. That's common on these, so just ignore that. You go ahead and remove these two 12mm bolts. Next up, you want to remove this 6mm bolt, which is holding the clamp to your airbox. Then you want to remove your mass airflow sensor connector. Next you want to come in here and down here with an 8mm socket and undo your clamps. Okay, so now the intercooler's off. Now we can come here and remove these two 12mm bolts that hold the EGR pipe on to the EGR itself. So grab yourself 12mm. These are going to be relatively tight, so there we go, loosen that one up. Next we can loosen this one up down here. There we go. So with them loosened, we can go ahead and remove that. Okay, now come to the side, the EGR, all these bolts are 12mm. So you have one there, have one under there, one 12mm there, and another 12mm there. So let's go ahead and remove those. Okay, so with the new EGR valve back in, I've had to makeshift some basic little dowels that will go through like that, because the old one had the pins actually through it like that, if the camera will focus, like that, and they just bolt onto the end. I've had to put some nuts and bolts together. Works perfect. So if you have an issue with blowing black smoke and you suspect the EGR valve is stuck in the open position, that is potentially what your issue is. So until next time guys, if you felt this helpful information, I suggest you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Until next time guys, thank you very much for watching.